Much cotton candy will give you toothache.
It will
Do you want to go to the dentist? The dentist will extract your teeth.
like what I have right now.
Ay, si Ayona kailangan ng pastahan. Ang itim na ng bagay.
Afraid of Gundam?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I just missed it. It's moving like that. It's fighting Godzilla.
Yes. Uwian na.
2, 3.
Last full day bukas. Ang bilis ng panahon.
Look, Godzilla. Kingdom's done now. Kingdom's done now. Kingdom's done now. He's done.
On n'a pas l'argent pour payer Zara.